To get connected with the nature, you just need to surrender yourself first. Moving around, I'm just exploring the village. It's really beautiful with nature. Today we are in Kurkutti. It's a wonderful place, a blissful place, a good forestry like location, you can say, to experience solitude, to experience the real freedom of solitude, to enjoy solitude for your spiritual career and all. Definitely, you should be in these kind of places. You know, for this, you need to know the art of getting connected with the nature. The more you get connected with the nature, you can enjoy the solitude. To get connected with the nature, you just need to surrender yourself first. Okay, if you go into the nature, surrender yourself, then only you can experience the real bliss in the life. You can see miracles happening in your life. They tune your situations. Okay, long back I'll tell you, when I was serving in my ashram few years back, we had our president, Dr. Kalamji. He was visiting ashram in those days for an opening ceremony, yeah, for an opening ceremony. And I was in electronics side. I was doing the seva of electronics over there. And nowadays we are having these mobile phones and all. In those days we didn't have the mobile phones. So we had the EPBX system. It's something like, I hope you know well. A main telephone line comes and we distribute that main line to several number of lines. That's called EPBX, Electronic Private Automatic Branch Exchange. So we used to work on the EPBX systems in those days. So we had Dr. Kalamji for the opening ceremony, and as he was the president, there are a lot of protocols. The government, they first come and occupy one line for their media works and all. Because I knew this because I was serving the communication department over there. So they had their line and we had our lines. The day before only they occupy all this office and all, and we make several testing so that nothing gets failure. Okay, so the next day before the president was supposed to come, everything was fine, going well. It was working well. Our EPBX system was doing well, and little bit we were all relaxed, little relaxed. So exactly at the night what happened, somewhere around 11:30 p.m. I think, suddenly our EPBX system stopped. It stopped working. And next day president was coming, and at that time if it doesn't work, you know what happens. And being a part of that seva, I wanted success. I didn't want to have failure at all. So first I tried several ways, operating this way, that way, and that way to make it function properly. I don't know why all of a sudden there was no damage, nothing. All of a sudden it stopped, and I didn't really knew what happened to it. So tried many ways, this way, that way, removed this card, that card, that card, again assembled it, but still no. I was getting tensed because I was the main responsible person over there. Then I reported my headquarters that I am suffering from this problem and immediately it has to be rectified. What to do? Then he said, go and contact so and so company and so company in the night, midnight. And I tried several companies. Everybody was suggesting, do like this, do like that, do like this, that. And I was the one trying all the ways I've done, mostly till the midnight, early hours, 1:30, 2 o'clock. Till that time, I don't know what to do. Everything was out of my control, and I wanted it at any cost that EPVX system should work. Because president was coming for the opening ceremony. Tried many ways. Just my mind got stressed. I was in complete stress. Didn't knew what to do. From different companies I got this way, that way you have to do, this way you have to do. And to get that card, at least a new card, it will take many hours it will take, because it was in a remote place far from the city, and overnight also it was not possible. Even if they try, it was not possible. At last what happened is I just gave up. I said, oh God, I've tried several ways, different ways, but system is not working. I don't know what to do. But still I was feeling stressful. I was feeling stressful because I wanted to turn it on. At last what I did is had a deep breath. I said, oh God, this is your task, your work, your headache. If you want the program to be in a successful way, your headache, get the task done. If not, you will be responsible. I have nothing to do. I am just your puppet. I am your instrument. So I have nothing to do. I'll just sit on the chair and I'll relax, do whatever you want to do. It's in your hands. Just I told the thing and sat relaxed. Obviously, because I didn't have any other choice, I didn't have any other choice. So gave up and relaxed. Now let him take the stress and all. Let God take the stress and all. Let him do the work. Because every way I've tried. Since I just raised up my hands. So I thought, now I'll relax and let him do. This happened somewhere around 2 o'clock, 2:30 a.m. I gave up. And I was in my meditation. I was just sat for meditation. Whatever it happens, let us see. Because it's not there in our hands. Okay. So gave up happily. I was doing my meditation. Till 3:30, 4 o'clock I did my meditation. And I don't know what intuition struck me. it's like just turn off the power, and there are some reset buttons in the system. Do the reset and just see what happens. After getting up from the meditation, so I went accordingly, turned off the system, and I reset all the buttons in that. This happening somewhere around 4 a.m. After resetting everything, I turned on, and the system, its system went on. You won't believe. It just went on, and it was working very well, as if nothing has happened. Now see, why I'm telling you all this thing is, you just surrender yourself. Once you surrender yourself, things will get done. At the same time, don't ignore your karma. Do your karma with surrendering yourself. Definitely you will get success in that. So the system went on, all the seva was going well, everything was fine. President Kalamji came to our institute, opening ceremony was done well, and late in the noon I think he went off. I was really happy because it was a very big, such a situation, holding my breath and coming out of that. I was just floating. And once after he went in the noon, completing the program and all the government officials, everybody left the place and all. Somewhere around again 3 p.m. again the machine struck off. The machine was off. Of course, a little bit stress was raising again, but I thought no stress this time. It's his task. Now let's go slowly. He will get it done. Okay. Then the company people whom I rang the previous night, they sent me the cards and all. They put it. It worked like anything. It worked very well. So, surrender yourself. Surrender yourself. Okay. The same thing. Coming to the point of the nature, we need to surrender ourselves. Once when we surrender ourselves, nature will take care of us. That's the nature's responsibility. The time we came on this earth, nature gave us a complete package from birth till death. From birth till death. It has already given all the stuff to us. So we need not worry for anything. Just get tuned with the nature. Go in the flow with the nature. It will take care of us. Universe is there. Okay. So just tune up yourself. Surrender yourself. Then you can enjoy the solitude. Okay. Then you can enjoy the real bliss. That bliss will definitely make you experience what the true freedom is. Okay. So dear friends, this is the best place. I visited different places for solitude, to experience different energy levels at different places. So tried, why not coming to this village also, Kurkutti. Came to this village, and it's really a wonderful village. If you haven't ever come to this village, definitely you should come. Nature is really blissful over here. Wherever you go, it speaks to us. The tree gives abundance energy. So just enjoy. Surrender yourself.